Yeah, hi everyone. Am I audible? Good morning.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
So in today class, we are going to discuss about scoped applications, metrics, pending definitions. Okay, I'm just sharing my screen. I hope is my screen visible to everybody. So scoped application are application scoping. Okay, application. So basically, application scoping protects the data. Protects the data. EIOM, scoped application. Application scoping protects the data. So till yesterday class, we have created everything in the global scope only. Today we are going to create one table, one application, one module within the scoped application. Okay. So we can note down the definition. This is fine. Application scoping protects applications by identifying and restricting access to application files and data. Okay. So application scoping protects and applications by identifying and restricting access to application files and data. I'm just copying this. Just saying it. Next, we can note down few definitions from here. So you can see. Application created in Studio are known as a scoped applications. Scope uniquely identifies every application file, not just with a single Servicenow instance, but in every instance around the world. Why is this important? Scope protects an application, its files, and its data from the conflicts with other applications. So, for example, we have created different applications, different tables. For example, Naresh IT, uh, Vinda IT, we have created multiple tables, right? So if it is in a global scope, we can move around. We can move around. We can access files from one table to another table, one application to another application. We can access the data. If it is a scoped application, it will not accept other applications interacting until unless we are providing the permissions. Got it? For example, we have instance management, change management. I may need to use change management data in the instance management. If it is a global application, yes, it will accept. Okay, it will accept vice versa. So if it is a scoped, so have some restrictions. Okay, so you can see scope protects an application, its files and data from the conflicts with other applications. Scope determines which parts of application are available for use by other applications in the service. Now, this scope application determines the like what are the files, what are the configurations, what are the data we have to use by other applications within the service now. Okay. And scope allows developers to configure which parts of their application can be acted on by other applications. Scope prevents work done in the main ServiceNow browser window from the becoming part of the application files. So we can note down these points. Okay. Copy. So actually, this concept every time, so I will tell in development end of the classes only, but that is not good. I feel it is very important concept, and nothing scripting will not involving here. Okay, so next can come here. How to set a scope? Yes, yesterday somebody pinged me YSN underscore. So if we create a column or table, it starts with U underscore, right? So if the table name or column name is U underscore, that means that field is created by you within the global application scoping. Within the global application scoping, that field should be created by you. If it is SN and if it starts with SN underscore, that came up with as part of the plugin. Okay. If the field name or table name starts with X underscore, it is a scoped application related tables. Okay. I'm just, yeah, team. So I'm just copying these URLs. Copy. So if it is a scoped application, we have to create a scoped application by using the studio. Okay, that is only the difference. Remaining everything is same. Now I'm going to create a one scoped application. I'm closing tags to the right. We can say studio. You can type studio. Studio. Under system applications, we have studio. Under system applications, we have studio. The system applications, we have studio. This is the navigation. And so I'm just going to the studio. If you want to create any scoped application, you have to create it from the studio. If you want to create normal application, you have to navigate to the application navigation menu. Okay. Yes. I'm just opening the Servicenow studio. So if you want to create a new scoped application, or if you want to import from somewhere, it may be from AWS, Azure. Okay. So if you want to select any scoped application from the ServiceNow store, okay. Yeah, here my requirement is I want to create a scoped application from scratch. I'm just clicking on create application. Create application. So wait, I think we have no. Yes, let's get started. Let's get started. So here it is asking for your scope application. Now here you can come. Wait. I'm just keeping this below. Yes, you can click on this globe icon. You can click on this application scope. If you see, you can try for service now training. Service now training. Is there any scoped application? Is there any scoped application with the name of service now training? Is there any scoped application? No, not there.
No.
Now I'm going to create a my scope application name is ServiceNow training. Okay. ServiceNow ServiceNow training. So maybe in the description also I'm keeping same. Here it is asking whether it should be a global scope or a scoped. Yeah. So if it is a global scope, we don't require to come here. So we generally create it from manual application menu. Okay. Even from here also we can able to create, but we have other option, right? That is the easiest way. So yes, here I want scoped application. I just selected scope. You can see this application scoping name X underscore 1524810 underscore service. Now I no, it is not accepting. Okay. Service. Maybe I will remove this. Maybe I will keep like this. No. Okay. This is the my application scoping. X underscore 1524810 underscore snow. Create. Here it will ask for the roles. Here it will ask for the roles. I don't want any roles. It should be accessible to everybody. So like if you have requirement like only this set of people want to access, yes, you can provide the roles. Okay. I'm just clicking on continue. If you want to create a new role, yes, you can continue. I don't want any roles. So here it is asking, do you want to create a mobile app or classic app? Yeah, team. So if you want to create a mobile application, yes, we can. So if you go to the Google Play Store, we have app called Servicenow Agent, Servicenow Agent app. So if you install that and if you logging into that your Servicenow instance from the mobile, okay. So you can able if you want any applications in that, you have to create a mobile application. So here we are creating a classic application. It should be for desktop, laptop. Okay. Classic application I'm creating. Just clicking on continue. It may ask for tables, I think. Yes. Search existing tables. Do you want to use existing tables for this scope application? If yes, you can select the table. If no, you can create the table. Create a new table. In my case, I'm creating a new table. Wait. I'm searching for some table name. Naresh IT. You can see there is no table called Naresh IT. I'm just going to create a Naresh IT table here. Okay. Naresh IT. Oh, wait. So even you can see in the tables I'm searching for, there is no Naresh IT table here. Okay. So I'm just creating a new table. Clicking on create new table. If you want to upload spreadsheet or if you want to extend a table, if you want to create a table from scratch, you can select whatever the option you want. Okay. Maybe I'm selecting a table. I want to create a table from scratch. Yes. Continue. Then it will ask for the columns. Number, field label number, field type auto generated. It is there. Think not. Maybe I'm selecting. Sorry to join late, Anji. Yeah, that's fine. String, right? String. Next, add another field. Name string. I'm selecting string. Add another field. Email string. Add another field. Mobile string. Next. Title. For example, I'm creating same set of fields. Okay, choice. Drop down with none. Yes, I want drop down with none. Next. Title. Maybe I'm keeping same field. Gender. Choice. Next. Manager. So field type should be reference. There it is. Where is it? It's not there, right? Wait. True, false, choice, correct. Yeah, as of now, you can select string only. Then after later we can modify it. Okay. Manager. Next. Location. String. So additional comments or business justification. Additional comments. String. So maybe here I'm taking 1000 characters. Okay. Yes. I have created the columns. What are the columns I want? Just clicking on continue. Yes, it is created a table. It is asking for the table label. Here I am giving Naresh IT. Naresh IT. So you can see it is showing this is application scope. Up to here is application scope, and this is a table Naresh IT. Yes, I want auto number. I'm just selecting. Maybe I'm keeping as an IT. If you want to extend this Naresh IT table, yes, I want to extend. So I'm just keeping make extensible. I'm just making continue. Managing accessing means roles related. If you want to add any specific roles here, you have to provide. Continue. So it's creating a table. Yes, Naresh ID table created successfully. Fields created, 18 fields almost. So we have few custom fields created and few other system fields. Continue. Yes, done with the tables. I'm done with the tables. So it is asking start with the application. Okay. So I'm just going back again. So can I add more apps later? Yes, so we are in the design. Okay, it will just ask us back and start. So you can simply start. Right. So it is asking for roles, yeah. Maybe internal. Yes, and see. There is no support. Maybe I'm providing IT under. Okay, here I'm providing IT under. It is asking for role actually. Create. Done with apps. Okay, done with apps. Done. Wait. We have successfully created a Servicenow training application. Okay, we have successfully created a Servicenow training application. So you can just click on this. You can come and refresh the home page once. So you can see our application scoping got changed or not. You can see yes or no. Our application scoping got changed. Now we are in ServiceNow training. Now we are in ServiceNow training application scope. Got it, everyone? Yes. Yes or no? We are in ServiceNow training application scope. Now I will configure ServiceNow training form properly first of all. Okay. Yes, I'm going to table Naresh ID table. Wait, it's loading, I think. Yes. Show form. I'm just saying show form. So it is appearing like this. I'm just configuring the values. Configure choices. Male. So I'm just starting two values only. Female. It is redirecting to home page. That's fine. Again, Naresh setting. So wait. Again, I'm clicking on show form. So you can see we have successfully created fields in general. Title, configure, choice. The title, I'm doing configure choices. I'm just adding two values. Start. Okay. I'm just saving it. So now you can come, go to the form layout first of all. Layout form. Go to the layout form. That means form layout, configure form layout. Okay. We have another number. Oh, got it. We have created auto generator number as well, right? I think it is showing number 2. Yeah, that's fine. So number, name, where is title? Number, title, name, gender, uh, like email, mobile, manager. Okay, sure. So I'm just removing this text. So now again you can come and go to the show form. You can see how it looks like. looking fine. So, but for mobile, for manager and location, those are the reference fields. So you can just right click on the configuration dictionary. You can just modify the type, field type, string to reference. Okay. Yes, reference, reference specification, manager rights is underscore. Is underscore. I'm just updating the column. So after creation of a scoped application, for example, you are not comfortable with Studio. For example, you are not comfortable with Studio. Yes, you can come to a normal native view, okay? And you can type for Naresh IT here, okay? Naresh IT. You can see it is appearing. Under Servicenow training application, we have Naresh IT. Under Naresh IT, we have create new all. From here also you can modify it, okay? Like we need Studio only for creation of a scoped application. The remaining things like creation of fields, making field mandatory, read only, modifying the system fields, modifying the field properties, creating web policies, client scripts, whatever it may be. You may do from the Studio or you may do from the normal Servicenow native platform. Okay, from anywhere you can do that. Okay, so for example, you can say manager I have modified from the Studio. For the location, I will modify from here. Anything is fine. There is no there is no restriction like we have to do only from the Studio. It's not like that. You can do from anywhere. Okay, and here you can see it is a reference, and I'm just going to the reference specification. Location, table name is location, CMN underscore location. Just updating. Right. So you can, yes, everything I have configured here. I may keep read only is mandatory second. Okay, I'm going to the configuration dictionary. However you want to do it from the Studio, yes, you can. If you don't want to do it from Studio and outside Studio also, you can do it. Wait, I'm just making read only. So, update. And for name, I just want to make mandatory. I'm just going to configuration dictionary, making mandatory. Update. Maybe for email also, I'm keeping mandatory. Right. Maybe for the name, I don't want to accept duplicate values. Okay, if the field don't want to accept duplicate values, so we have option. Do you remember that? We have to make unique to true. Now I was in configuration dictionary form. I'm just going to configure form layout. Configure form layout of dictionary form I'm going. Okay. So wait, it is in global application, but we are editing the Servicenow trying. Yeah, that's fine. The selection in the global, edit this section in global. Okay, I'm just saying edit this section in global. You can bring unique queue to front. Just saving it. I'm just closing this. Okay, maybe I'm updating it. Oh, we haven't kept a unique queue true. Just closing this. Again, I'm going to Naresh IT, create new name, configuration dictionary. Okay, unique true. Then it won't accept duplicate values. Yes. We can also configure the list layout properly. Okay. Yeah, it is coming all the fields. That is fine. So if you want to create any data, you can create. Maybe we can create one or two records. Start. So Anji, mail, Anji@gmail.com 9640374671. Manager is Abel Tutor. Location is Hyderabad. Okay. I'm just saying this record. Now again, I'm Mr. Female Anji 123. I'm trying to submit this record. I'm trying to insert and stay this record. It will not accept because Anji here, this name field is a unique field, but we are sending different same data again. That's what it is not accepting. Okay. So here I'm changing to Ramani maybe. Okay. RAM. So I'm just doing insert and stay. Okay. Two records we have successfully created. You can come to the list view and you can verify. So this is how we will create a scoped application. We'll configure the tables, fields, UI policies, and everything. Okay, same way. Any queries here, let me know. So if you want to do it from here, okay, if you want to do it from here, so you can go to the tables. So wait, it's loading, I think. So you can scroll down. So we can do it from here. For example, if you want to list layout, if you want to modify the list layout, for example. List layout. So I think it's loading. Okay. Oh, it went to the form design. Okay, that's fine. You don't require the form design. So I tried for layout list. Okay, I'm trying for layout list. You can configure from here, like same. So this we can able to do in the normal also without studio. Okay, this number I don't want. Auto generator number with number 2 field. Okay, maybe external content I want. The last title, I want before name. So gender, maybe before email, I want email manager. Mobile, I want after email. Location, after manager, just same. So now we have modified from here, right? Now you can come and refresh the list too. It will reflect. Okay, got it, everyone? So this is how we are going to create the scoped application. We can configure the scoped application. Okay. I'm just closing all the tabs. So here, if you have any queries, let me know. Any queries?
So, while you were working on the studio and you were creating manager field and location field,
Yeah,
I saw reference, but
yeah,
you didn't use it in the studio.
yes. So
Why?
basically, why we require to create the application in the studio. Okay. If it is a global application, global scope application. So till yesterday, we are in global scope, right? If it is a global scope application, we can able to create from the application menu, from the system definition tables. Okay. And we can able to access that other, for example, we have application 1, we have application 2. We can able to access application 1 configuration files to application 2 if we are in global application scoping. and we can access application 2 data to application 1, vice versa. However it is, we can able to access. We have full access. So if it is application scoping, if it is a scoped application, if we create scoped application from the studio, we have a restrictions. So we cannot able to access scoped application data outside until unless if we have provided a permission. Got it? So even we cannot access any configuration files outside the applications from the current application. Got it, everyone? Got it, Victoria?
Yeah, my question was actually that why you didn't create the reference from the studio. That was the question.
Yeah, if we want to create a scoped application, definitely we need to create from studio only. Okay. Without studio, we cannot create scoped application. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, Victoria.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Like other team members having any queries, let me know. It just will protect the data. So like it looks like so for example, what I can say, for example, so wait, I'm thinking. Like for example, so some guests are come to our home. Some guests are come, few guests are come to our home. Okay. So if it is in a global application scoping, if it is a global application scope, okay. So they can move to any room within our house. It may be to bedroom, it may be to kitchen, it may be to dining area, it may be to balcony. Okay. If it is a global scope, nobody will restrict. It is a global scope. So for example, if it is a scoped application, if it is a scoped application, they cannot move to the bedroom, they cannot move to the kitchen, so they cannot move to anywhere within our house. They may sit on hall. Okay. Until unless if we provide access. That means if we are okay, then if we are okay and if we provide access, then only they are navigate. Maybe in the even from the guests also there are two types, right? So maybe like first type is very close relatives, very close to us. Okay, we have freedom with them and they are able to access, they are able to mingle with us, and they're able to access everything within our house, like they are navigate to everywhere in our house. So maybe like type 2 guests, maybe for example, you are invited your colleague to your home for lunch maybe. So they are able to navigate to our home, like navigate to other rooms in our home apart from the hall freely. Definitely not until unless you ask that colleague to come here. You can sit here, you can sleep here, like that. Okay, got it, everybody? The difference? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Oh, next concept is metrics. So I'm just changing the application scoping, like scoped discussion about scoped application is completed. Now I'm moving on to the global application scope. Okay. Now you can see we are in global application scope. Right. We are in global application scope. So what is metric? Metric measures and evaluate the effectiveness of the IT. Okay, it will measure the effectiveness of IT. Metrics in Servicenow. Oh, not this one. This is the correct one. Okay. So you can see a metric measures and evaluates the effectiveness of the IT service management process. Okay, a metric measures and evaluates the effectiveness of the IT service management process. I'm just keeping this and I will also copy the URL. What is the navigation for metrics? You can type metrics in filter navigation. Under system definition, we have metrics. You can see. Sorry, we have separate application, not in system definition. Under metrics, we have definitions. Under metrics, we have definitions. We have definitions. So metric definitions. Table name is sys underscore metric. Sorry, metric underscore definition. This is the table name for metrics definition. Wow. And we have another table, metric instances. Metric instances. You can see metric instances table name also you can note down. Metric underscore instance. Metric underscore instance. Metric instances. Okay. So for example, first of all, I'm navigating to metric instances only. So I will take one incident for reference. Okay. Wait. So I may take this incident. Okay. Show matching. Okay. Oh, not this one. It has only one metric instance record is there. Show matching. No, it is having only one record. Yeah, okay. I may create one instance. Okay. First of all, here you can go to any metric definition. For example, open. I'm going to open. I'm going to this metric definition. Okay. So here you can see there are different types of metrics. Field value duration and another one is script calculation. Field value duration and script calculation. There are two types of metric definitions. Field value calculation, field value duration and script calculation. So generally most of the times we will use field value duration metric only. Okay. And it doesn't involve any scripting. So until unless if you want scripting, then only we have to write it. Otherwise, we don't require it. So we can note down metric types. Field value duration. Second one, script calculation. Okay. Script calculation. Yeah, team, this meeting will end in 1 minute. Please join again with this.